got that G and my nullos. I'm just saying. We pull up to the scene, they be filled with jealousy. If a bitch get
stop
finicky, she gon' bring the energy. I hit a phone with a
3, 2, 1, action.
Dear light.
I got chills, then multiply.
So hello everyone, it's Salvador and I'm back for another video and I hope you guys are having a good time and welcome to my channel.
Look at us. Look at us. Huh? Who would have thought? Not me.
How are you guys doing? How is life treating you guys? Let me know honey in the comments below. Guys, you have seen the title of this video, so I'll get straight into it.
Period.
Guys, your money does not belong in the bank, and you guys, people are like, wait, what? Why this title? Don't tell me, wait, what? I have to be honest with you guys, your money does not belong in the bank. This is not financial advice, but I'll show you guys examples why. Ever since I changed my way of thinking, it has changed a lot of stuff where I now have a little bit of confidence that I never knew before. I had that. I was always like, oh my god guys, I'll walk like 10 miles just to go make $60. That is how bad it has gotten. But ever since I started doing this, that has changed, and all that is changing, because now I'm like, wait, you have to start respecting yourself.
The is getting hot in this sweater dress. Let me turn on the fan real quick.
Because honey, when you don't have it, you get to go through so many things, you forget what you're made of. Like, you know what you're made of, but people would make you feel like, you know, you don't know what you are, so they will use it whichever way they want, and that is not what I want for you guys. Your money does not belong in the bank, and I'll explain in detail what I meant by this title. Guys, I would say this: gone are the days when saving was enough. Saving does not help you. I'm not kidding you. When you look at saving, right, look at that money you have in your savings, your life savings. You see that money when it's in the bank sitting down there, it doesn't do anything. You may get like 1%. Like, you may have up to 80k and then you're getting like $2 every month. What? The bank is using your money to put them in investments, and they are the ones reaping the benefits of holding your money for you.
We are the only ones who have the power to do right. So do right.
I went through that until 2016, 2017. Then I thought, how do I expand my net worth? And then I had a home studio, you know, a styling studio. And what happened? I'm about to close that studio in the next 2-3 weeks because I'm now $20-something thousand in debt from running a salon. I was making more money when I was just a stylist than having my own business. That's how much capital I have just put. It's a lot of, you know. So I found another way to get out of it. COVID changed that for me, because during the COVID era, I was not helped by the government. So I was like, what is going on? I'm looking at my savings were just going down the drain, down the drain, down the drain, paying weekly rent. And I was like, wait, I've worked so hard for this money for my previous job, and I'm just losing it just like that. It's going and I cannot do anything about it. And I watched some videos from Chris saying, Tommy Bryson, Uncle Larry, and the rest of them, and I was like, wait, investment? And I saw a video from Tommy Bryson, and they said, your money always loses worth while it's sitting at the bank. And I thought they were kidding. I was like, okay, wait. And then they showed me a glimpse of their portfolio. I was like, you're kidding me, you're lying. And I was like, okay. And I started investing aggressively.
This ain't no allegedly.
So my net worth went from under 6 figures to above 6 figures. How did I do that? Because I invested. I started investing, especially as a hairstylist and a hairdresser in the service industry. People always feel, oh no, you don't know anything. Oh no, you don't know math, you know, and they always pride themselves, oh yes, I don't know math. Oh no, I can't get into that. Oh no. I have a degree background, right, in electrical electronics engineering. So for me, math was like, wait, what? Are you guys kidding me? I went through that scholarship, all that stuff, but because life gave me lamb and I'm making lemonade, these people are seeing it that all you can do is just get our hair done, okay? You cannot do anything for yourself. You can't do anything better. I'm losing my salary, and they're like, oh, you know what? You can just work at the corner there so you can still be available for us. And I was like, wait, is this all they see? You know, that pocket friend that will get your hair done? I was like, wait, That is not the life you want to live. Like, you will start going gray. This is where you will be. So I started secretly. I would invest. I started investing, and I started seeing how it was changing, and I was like, wait, what? What have I been doing all this while? And before I knew it, my net worth grew to 6 figures. I was like, you're fucking lying. I was like, what just happened? And then I told one of the people in the building that, hey, have you thought about investing? And I introduced her to it, and she's really happy about it. So what I'm trying to say is that stop saving and start investing. This is no joke.
Oh my God.
I'll show you guys my portfolio on crypto for my Shiba, and you guys would see why. So when I invested in this Shiba coins, right, my stuff was the screen. My stuff was, so when I started investing in Shiba, right, my investment was 12 or 14 or 15,000 that I invested, which is about my life savings. I'll show you guys now what that portfolio of about 15,000 looks like today. You will see what let's see. Okay, Bitcoin is now at 57. Okay. You guys are seeing what I'm seeing, right? This is not fake. Like this, guys, there is no job I have done that would increase my net worth like this in a year. None. This is a $15,000 investment. You guys, you're seeing that.
I never want a paycheck. You understand that, kid? I said, okay, I got it.
That it's not a joke. That is real. That is real. This is the power of investing. If you put your money in the bank, it will just sit down there and do nothing. Now, I would advise, don't invest what you cannot afford to lose. Only invest what you're comfortable with. For me, I have to break that generational curse, like working till you're 65. Like, I know I come from nothing. In order to go to college, I had to get a full scholarship to go to college after staying home for 7 years waiting and praying for a miracle. That is how. So now I don't want my siblings to go through any of that. I've put them through college, but I also want more for them. I want them to be established, not just have those degrees, but be established. That's why I went all out. I have over 3 billion Shiba coins investment. This is my crypto, and my stock is on a whole different level. It's down by, before it was down by 30 something, but now those were profits that reduced, but now it's down by 20 something K.
A lot.
And I will tell you guys this, before investing, I didn't know what 6 figures looked like. I only dreamed that, oh, if I have 6 figures today, I would retire, I can retire. Well, I have that now as my net worth, but all the stocks are down, so I cannot even cash them out because then I'll be in a loss from those profits. So I'll let them recover. And I'm telling you guys this because I want what's best for you guys. Look at this. I will show you guys. I don't want to show you the values today, but I just want to show you my dividend portfolio. Can you guys see the total cost there? It's down. I don't mind it because REIT stocks don't grow. You only have them for dividends. This stock pays me about $900 a month. Yes, this is the power of investing. I have now created a passive income for myself, and that's not all. My goal is to create so much that I can have, you know, my family and be able to take care of my kids. You see what I'm saying? I want better for the future. I want better for my siblings. I want better for my family. I want better for my mom, a single mom. And she has worked so hard to raise all 4 of us. And I want better for these people who have been there with me from the very beginning. This is the power of investing. This is the power that investment can give to you. I have seen people who invested in Dogecoin and today they are buying a house of $1.2 million, which they would have never been able to buy if they were just working their jobs. And now after 10 years of working that hard job, they've retired. That is the power of investing.
So I wanted to project myself forward to age 80 and say, okay, now I'm looking back on my life.
I want to have minimized the number of regrets I have.
I am begging you guys. I have heard these people, these rich people, talk about money, their investments and all that while I'm doing their hair and cleaning their houses. And that is how they made it. They make money in their sleep. That's what they do. They work, but they still make money in their sleep and in their investment. That is how they do it. I'm telling you guys now, we are in the service industry, working our ass off for people. We should start thinking on how to get out and how to do better. The quota, especially when it comes to people of color and black people, when it comes to growth in wealth and growth in net worth, is so low compared to your counterparts. The power of investing, please, I am begging you, start considering even dividend investing, even growth stocks, something. That job you have today, you're not irreplaceable. Someone can replace you like that. I've seen people who lost their jobs after 12 years. They just, okay, you're all set. And now they have to go find another job. Another job. They're not even thinking about, okay, you know what? My stuff can take, no. They're actively looking for other jobs that can pay them more. And these people who employ people, guess what? They want someone that is fresh out of the boat so that way they can just cheaper labor, kick you out after all you've given to them. You are replaceable when it comes to this work and jobs.
Okay.
Make sure you start considering your backup plan. That is what I've been doing, and let's be real. From next month, I'll start making about $1,000 passive income from my other stuff. So losing this salon, I no longer feel bad that, oh my God, what will you do next? No, I'm working, as you can see, but I have these backup plans to pay my bills while I'm actively working on creating other streams of income. I love you all so much, but please start considering how to start investing. I am not saying this is a financial advice, which is not, but I am giving you guys my experience and how I am getting myself out of the corporate plantation slowly, okay? And until next time, see you then. I've seen these kids, these parents and their kids. These kids have grown, got cars, start driving, go to college, finish college, got their apartment, and I'm still, still living the same way I've been living since 2012, 2011, like in a storeroom, you know, all my stuff. Yes. Who wants that? You're not growing. These people are growing. What are you doing with yourself? You may be in the same situation as I am. That's why I'm like, live under your means and start planning. How I'm doing it is investments, video making, content creating. Go, 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 go.
We are going to pretend we didn't hear that. Let's move on.
So I'm always busy. I love you all so much, and I love this because I can do it any time of the day. I have enough energy. So please go out there and know that your money does not belong in the bank. The banks just mess you up. In the next 10 years, if you have 80,000 as savings or 10,000 as savings, in the next 10 years, guess what? You will have maybe 10,200. But if you had invested that in a stock, that may have become something exponential. Look at that. Look at that investment. That is just my crypto alone. Not even my other stock or you saw the dividend that pays me every month. So if this does not work, I have this backup plan of dividends. That's what I'm saying. I love you all so much. Please go out there and just, I want better for us. I really do. I really do. We have to start investing and spending the extra rather than spending everything, then investing the extra.
How does that make sense?
Look at the black celebrities, Chuck O'Neillism, all over everything, endorsements, endorsements, endorsements. How do you think he's keeping his wealth? By investing and also doing these endorsements. That's how you do it. Multiple streams of income. Investing, honey. Your money does not belong in the bank. I hope this advice helps someone out there that has been thinking, how do I get out of this? I've seen people work in a salon where I've worked for 25 years, 30 years, they're still there. And I'm like, fighting for $1, $2, $3 tip. If they give them $10 tip, they're like, oh my God, $20 is like, oh my God, $20 tip, you know? And I was like, you've been doing this for how long? And then when you ask for a price, you know, for the haircut, they're like, oh, that's expensive. What? Exactly. You see what I'm saying? They will always see you in a way. Nothing more than that. So please go out there and start finding a way to start doing better for yourself. We all have 24 hours. So why is it that some people are swimming and there is this gap? I used to be lower middle class, now I'm in the low class. Low class. Exactly, because I tried to, honey, you have to climb that ladder. I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care of yourselves.
You should only go where you are celebrated, not just tolerated. There are a lot of people who are in places and around people who tolerate them, but they don't celebrate them.
What you leaving for when my night is yours? Just a little more, don't go yet. 'Cause I'm loving myself real good.
Did you guys hear that? I'm scared.
And we could